Welcome to Grow by Design.ai's Achieve Clear Focus video, the ultimate guide to smart prompt engineering. Clear Focus is an acronym for a strategic approach to prompt engineering designed to help you get the most accurate, relevant, and insightful responses from generative AI. It stands for C for clarity, L for leverage context, E for examples, A for ask for alternatives, R for refine iteratively, F for format, O for output constraints, C for chunk complex, U for use follow-ups, S for start general. Let's dive into details on each of the clear focus steps. Clarity. Be precise and specific in your prompts to get focused responses. For example, ask, describe the personality traits of Siamese cats, instead of, tell me about cats. Avoid vague or broad requests that result in generalized answers. Leverage context by include background details to guide AI effectively, like suggest team-building activities for a remote marketing team. Avoid contextless prompts that lead to ambiguous answers. Example usage to clarify your intent, such as, suggest fun icebreaker questions like, what's your favorite travel destination? Avoid assuming AI understands niche terms without explanation. Ask for alternatives by requesting multiple options to explore different perspectives, like, suggest 3 strategies for increasing workplace productivity. Avoid relying on a single suggestion when variety is needed. Refine iteratively by adjusting and experimenting with prompts to improve responses. If the first attempt isn't ideal, add specificity or clarify the format. Don't expect perfection on the first try. Iteration is key. Format by clearly specifying the desired output structure, like list 3 benefits of exercise in bullet points. Avoid open-ended prompts when you need a structured response. Output constraints. By clearly stating any limitations, like word count, time, or exclusions, for example, write a 50-word summary of sustainable energy excluding solar power. Avoid omitting constraints when they're critical. Chunk complex by breaking down complex prompts into smaller parts, like list popular digital marketing strategies. Then explain how each is applied. Avoid overly long prompts, as they can result in incomplete responses. Use follow-ups questions to build on initial answers by asking targeted questions. For example, can you expand on how this applies to remote teams? Avoid settling for incomplete responses. Follow-ups enhance clarity and depth. Start general by beginning with a broad query like, suggest a healthy dinner recipe, and refine it gradually, for instance, make it low-carb and under 500 calories. Avoid overwhelming details initially, as they can restrict creativity. This clear focus method empowers you to craft smarter prompts, which in turn leads to richer, more useful AI responses, ultimately saving time, enhancing productivity, and enabling you to harness generative AI's full potential effectively.